Hello friends, if you're a part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and try this Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother on my curly hair. I'm going to go ahead and link a video below where I reviewed this for when I blow dry my hair and how much I loved it. I think in that video I put a little too much, but how I loved it because it really did control my frizz and made my blow dry style last a little longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that video below if you guys want to check it out. But this one is specifically in how my hair is gonna look after I apply this for curly hair, like applying it to make my curls look bouncy and control frizz and all that good stuff. All right guys, so if you are interested in seeing how this works on curly hair, keep on watching. Alright guys, so here we go. These are the results. As you guys can see, I did blow dry my hair, maybe to dry it like 20 or 30%, and the rest I let it air dry. I was seeing that as I was blow drying it, my hair was getting frizzier and frizzier, and I had already applied a lot of the product. As you guys can see, I put quite a bit. I don't put, let's see, what I put in the bottom half of my hair is a lot more than I would put in my entire hair when I would blow dry it, when I would want to have it straight. So I literally put a lot more than I should have, I think, of this product on my hair, just because I knew that I needed to really try out to see if it controlled my frizz and if it would yeah, just help my curls look soft and bouncy and what you would want from curly hair. So this is kind of what it looks like. I did this, I applied it last night. Like I said, I blow dried it maybe like for a few minutes, and then the rest I let it air dry and I went to sleep on it. So here are my thoughts. The claims on this is that it reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. I'm sure it's protecting some way, somehow. It is kind of nourishing, and it is super duper soft. My hair is soft. It's not necessarily shiny, but it is, I believe, controlling the frizz as much as it can. But I think given the amount of product that I did put on my hair, I would have wanted it to control the frizz a lot more. Let me see if I can do a close-up here so you guys can see actually how the hair looks. So it did control it, right? I do have bangs, as you guys can see over here. But I think that I would want to apply a curling product on top of this. So this would be a good base product to put on my hair to control the frizz, to add nourishment, to protect. But then I would want to put a curling product on top, like a mousse or something, to really help texturize and hold the curls. Why? Because sure, it looks, I mean, there's a little bit of frizz, but not crazy. I don't mind having hair like this, but this is probably only gonna last today. Come tomorrow, another day where I'm sleeping on it, etc., I think it's gonna start to grow. So I think given the amount of product that I had to use to achieve this control or this frizz control, I'm not sure if it's gonna be worth it, because this is not cheap. This was $29. This is, like I said, not cheap at all. If you want hair like this in one day, then go for it. If you have curly hair and you want to just kind of achieve this kind of control frizz, you know, for the following day, fine. But if you want longevity, you might want to put on a curling product. Now, again, I might tomorrow would have to re-wet it and put a little more of this product to continue having it like this, you know, like not completely flat, but not like huge. But again, this is, if I do that, I'm gonna go through this bottle in like a few weeks. And that's not what I want, because obviously this is not super cheap. The product that I've been using on my hair is the Not Your Mother's Curl Mousse, and that's only $7, and that will last me like a little pump of it, a little pump of it that would go like maybe around about this high, is enough for my entire hair. And so that product, I will probably go through it in like 2 to 3 months. So that's more of like a cheaper, you know, more inexpensive way to control my frizz than this guy. Either way, I love it when I blow dry my hair. I love it when I only use a tiny amount, and yeah, it helps control the frizz. It makes my blow dry last a little longer. It's sleek. It controls my frizz right away, right after I blow dry. I don't have to wait for a few more days for it to really kind of just die down. So to blow dry my hair, I love it. But for curly hair, I don't know. I mean, this right here, my healthy curls, and I am trying to grow my hair out because there's a lot of heat damage. As you can see over here, like look at the difference between that and that, right? So this is where I have a lot of heat damage, and I've dyed my hair, highlights and all that, and this is kind of like, you know, how do you say it, more healthy, grown out hair. That's how I want my hair to be. But it's still, I feel like it's gonna be very frizzy, and it still does not really texturize and make my curls look beautiful. So yeah, guys, those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried this on your curly hair and your results. I'm gonna leave my hair like this today, and probably tomorrow I will rewet it and just put more of that mousse that I told you guys about that I have been loving. But I don't know if this guy is necessarily for curly hair. It was worth a try. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and link the video below where I do walk you through how it is that I use this product to style my hair when I blow dry it, because I love it. But again, I don't know about curly hair. Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello guys, first of all, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I take the time and effort to edit them, to film them, so it means the world to me that you guys stop by to check them out. So thank you. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if you are going through something or you just are in need of prayer, go ahead and contact me. You can either leave a message below or you can email me. I am on Facebook, but I don't check my Facebook Messenger that often, but I do my Instagram. So you can either contact me through Instagram, email, or comment below, and I will pray for you. Me and my family will be praying for you. Number two, if you are on social media, especially on Instagram, you should totally be following me. And the reason why is because I post a lot more content over there than I do actually here on YouTube. I share with you guys pictures of my family, especially in the Insta stories. I share recipes, everyday life, and just a lot more content. So if you are on there and also on Facebook, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do so now and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here and we would love to have you join our family. I post Mondays, or I do my best to post Bible studies or Bible content Mondays and Wednesdays, and then Fridays is for my girls out there. I do makeup reviews, hauls, I do so many fun things, recipes, videos with my kids. So we have a lot of fun and we would love to have you on board. All right guys, so that's about it. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in as well. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.